In our previous video, we set up our workspace to use Python 3. We created a new Django project, and we also integrated GitHub and Travis. In this video, we're going to create directories to serve out our templates, media, and static files. So to do that, make sure our virtual environment is activated, then run manage.py, start app, and posts, which is the name of our new app. As you can see, it creates a directory here with some content called posts in the left-hand pane. In our post directory, we also want to create a templates directory. This is going to contain all the HTML templates that we want to serve in our blog app. As well as this, we also want a media folder, which is going to serve user-uploaded images. And we also need a static folder. The static folder contains files that don't change. So in our media folder, we said that we want the user to upload images, so let's create a subfolder of that, and we'll call it img. And in our static directory, there are many different files that are not going to change. For instance, our CSS, so let's create a CSS directory. Our images, the static images, so let's create an img directory. And JavaScript, so we'll create a JS directory. Okay, now that all of those are set up, we can open up our blog folder and the settings.py file where we can get everything working. So navigate to our blog folder. We'll just close this one, that's it, and open up settings.py. Okay, so now first we need to tell Django that we have an app called Posts. So in the installed apps section, add Posts, and then remember to put the comma on at the end. It makes it easier when you're adding extra apps later. Now that we've done that, we want to be able to serve out the templates. So we need to tell Django where the templates directory is. To do that, scroll down to our templates settings section. We're going to use the OS library, and we're going to use path.join the base directory, which is the project root, and then the name of our directory, which in this case is templates. And just to make sure that we can serve out our media files properly, we need to add a new context processor under options. So down at the end of the context processors, add another one. This one is django.template.contextprocessors.media. And again, remember to put the comma on at the end. So now that we've done that, we can start to serve out our media and our static directories. So we already have our static URL here. Let's create a media URL. And we're going to call that media. And it's worth remembering that this is just how Django refers to the URL. It's not actually referring to a specific directory at the moment. To get it to do that, we need to add the media root setting, which we'll go ahead and do now. So media root equals, again, we'll use the OS library, path.join. That's it, path.join. The base directory again, and this time the name of the directory we created, which was media. So now that we've done that, we need to do exactly the same for our static URL. Again, this is just a label. To actually get it to connect to the right directory and serve the right directory out, we need to use static files underscore dirs equals, and again, os.path.join, the base directory, and this time static. Okay, so now we've set up our new app and our project to serve out templates, media files, and static files. In our next video, we'll look at creating our models and our forms.